Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily disconnect your Instagram account from your Facebook account in 2024 on your mobile phone. By following the few simple steps that I show you, now you'll be able to disconnect Instagram account from your Facebook account very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, go to your home screen and tap on the Facebook app icon and go to the menu bar or tap on this three horizontal line and scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy and go to the settings. Now you can see here account center panel, tap on that and scroll down and tap on this account option. Here, select your Instagram account that you want to disconnect from your Facebook account and tap on remove and tap on remove account. Here, tap on continue and tap on yes remove. And now you'll be able to disconnect your Instagram account from your Facebook account very easily. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful, even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.